Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video, I'm gonna show different classy and beautiful pebble home decoration ideas. Pebble art for frame, pebble art for kids, for animals, different amazing pebble wall decoration, home decoration, classy stones decoration, stones painting, wood and stone paintings, and etc. And it is very unique and beautiful ideas for yourself, and I hope you like it. And you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.